to transform the Canadian construction industry through industrialized construction, research and innovation is a national collaborative project in partnership with the National Research Council, CAS Consultancy, and the University of Alberta. It brought together researchers, industry leaders, government, and academia to define how industrialized construction can accelerate construction project delivery across Canada. Through workshops in Toronto and Edmonton, as well as virtual sessions, the project gathered input directly from builders, suppliers, regulators, and beyond. Conversations revealed both challenges such as financing, training and education, policy inconsistencies, and transportation constraints, and identified opportunities for transformation. The roadmap is a bridge between industry and government, aligning priorities to identify innovative solutions and scalable strategies. It provides a clear plan to improve processes, modernize supply chains, and develop the workforce to increase industrialized construction adoption nationally. With federal investment and support, this work has the potential to transform the way Canada builds, positioning the country as a leader in construction innovation. The roadmap shows how strategic collaboration can shape a more productive and sustainable construction industry.